This lesson only we are going to learn as our first lesson, North America. Okay, in North America we are going to learn about the location, political features, physical features, everything we are going to learn. Before that, do you know how many continents in the world? Do you remember anything? Yes. Do you know the number? Yes. 7. Correct. Okay, we'll see what are the continents. No problem. If you forgot also, no problem. We'll learn now. Don't get scared of anything. Okay. Yes, these are the 7 continents. Continent means land masses, the place people live, that is land. Okay, yes, this is the place. North America, South America. Can you see North America, South America? Yes, keep in your mind 2 words, North America, South America. Repeat after me, North America, South America. Then come to right side, Europe, Asia. What are the 2 things? Europe, Asia. Okay, now you learned 4 things: North America, South America, Europe, Asia. Next 2, Africa, Australia. Correct, Africa, Australia. So 6 continents you learnt now. What is one more? Yes, we have this Antarctica. Okay, we have this Antarctica. Yes, this is the one, the 7th one, full of ice, snow. Okay, so these are the continents with the land. Okay, the large land mass we called continents. What do we call? Land masses we call continents. Water bodies we call oceans, seas. Okay, the large land masses we call continents. Yes, how many continents are there? There are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa and Australia. Yes, one more is Antarctica. Can you see? Yes. Okay, how these continents are separated or created together? Do you know any idea? Yes, we don't know any idea, but the geologist, the people who do the research in the geography, we call them meteorologists. They found this, that the continents, that is the land in orange color, this all they keep one name of Pangaea. The large land masses we call Pangaea. Okay, this 3 names for land one name, continent one name, Pangaea, 3 names. And what is opposite to that? Yes, water, the blue color, water we call water bodies. And we call, what do we call the water bodies? Water we say everywhere? No, we say small quantity, we say pond or lake or river, we say seas or we say oceans. Yes, these are the water bodies we call oceans. Okay, so water bodies, oceans and Panthalassa. What we call? Panthalassa. Okay, 3 names for continents, 3 names for water bodies. That is, continents means landmass, continent and Pangaea. Water we call water bodies, oceans and Panthalassa. Okay, any term we can use, you keep it in your mind. Don't get scared of anything, you learn slowly. Okay, now can you see in the picture North America, South America, Eurasia, Europe and Asia, we together we call Eurasia. Even Africa, Antarctica, Australia. One is new here. Can you see? India. Yes, this all they together it was there. Okay, anywhere we can go. Which year? 225 million years ago. Okay, they are telling this continents were together. Okay, after that 100 year later, see the slowly the continents got separated, split in the middle. Okay, Panthalassa is same water bodies there, but the split inside the continents and slowly water comes inside the continents. Okay, can you see? Yes, the upper part they say Laurasia, the down part they say Gondwana, middle the big sea they call Tetsi Sea. Okay, now can you see North America, South America, Africa, India, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, Asia? Can you see? Slowly it got separated, split in the middle of land masses. Okay, what is the name I told you? Geographical name? Pangaea. Pangaea got separated. Okay, slowly, can you see 65 millions ago, they are telling that sea came inside the continents very large. Okay, it got separated wide. See the places, North America, South America, there is no gap, but here more gap. Can you see? Yes, so like that it got separated. Okay, but that time they are telling India also one of the continent. After that we all joined together and went to nearby Asia. Okay, now can you see? Yes, many water bodies came inside the, separated the continents. Can you see this picture? Now at present the world is in this situation. Okay, this is at present. Okay, can you see North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Europe and Asia. Okay, this is Antarctica. Okay, see water came inside very badly. We cannot go through land anywhere else. Only we should go by water body or through airline. Okay, you remember now how we separated? Yes, in the beginning we were together and after that slowly we got separated. 100 years later, 100 years more water came inside the water bodies, and now at present we are like this. This man is Alfred Wegener. He only found this theory. He only found that the land was together but slowly it got separated. Okay, so we call this Wegener theory. Okay, and I told you this Laurasia and Gondwana, 2 continent the early time. Okay, but after that now we are coming to know 7 continents. Can you repeat after that 7 continents name? North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, this year you are going to learn North America, South America in 6th standard, and some of the world maps also you are going to learn. Okay, next year in 7th standard you are going to learn Europe, Africa, Australia. Okay, in 8th standard you will learn Asia and India alone. You are going to learn India alone in 8th standard. Now you remember what all the things we learned so far? We learnt about land mass. We learnt about the water bodies. What is the 3 name for land mass? Land mass, continent, Pangaea. And water body, what are the 3 names? Water bodies, oceans and Panthalassa. Who was the man who found this? It was together. Yes, Alfred Wegener only, a geologist, meteorologist. He found this world was, this continents were together, now got separated. Now you understood something? Yes, slowly you listen again you will understand this. Okay, this time you are going to learn about North America. This is our lesson, North America. North, North America. By the way, you should know the direction. This is north, south, east, west.